Hello, welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Love with Mary. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do my refried beans. This is my recipe for that. Now I don't have my ingredients by measurement, so as I go, I'll let you know what I'm putting in there. But what I did was I soaked my pinto beans overnight, and I'm just doing a small little pan of beans, not a whole lot. And I soaked them overnight, and I rinsed them and washed them real good, and then I let them come to a boil, and then I'm finna rinse this off. Okay, so I don't have enough. Let me see if I have some more chicken stock or beef stock. Okay, so I don't have any. I just have a little beef stock here. So what I'm gonna do is add this beef stock in here. And then I'm going to put some water in here with it because I don't have any more of that. So I'm going to put a little more water in here. Okay. Turn my eye on. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to put a bay leaf in here. It's not, like I said, not a whole lot. So I'm just maybe put just a small bay leaf in here. Okay. And I'm going to put me a little salt in here. And some pepper. And then I have some onion powder here. Then I have some garlic powder. I'm gonna use this one. This one is just about all gone. So let me see. Try to use. Okay. And I have some oregano. Now I got this in this container here. I always save this when I have my herb garden. I put it into these little small containers here, but this is some oregano. And I have some chili powder. Like I said, it's not by measurement. Then I have some cumin. And I have some fresh onions here I chopped up. I don't think I'm going to use them all. That's enough there. So like I said, it's not by measurement, but you do have the ingredients if you want to make this recipe. So okay, I'm gonna put me some grapeseed oil in here. And I'm gonna put my top on it. Let's see, what did I do? Okay. Okay, I put my top on. So when I get back, these will be done. It's not going to take long for these to cook because I soaked them overnight. But when I get back, I'm gonna let you know how long I cooked them, and then I'm gonna start, getting them all mashed up and everything, and kind of drain some of the water out, some of the juice out. After they get done, it might be too much liquid, so I'm gonna drain some of that off. So when I get back, I'm gonna start, not my finished product, but I'm gonna start mashing them up, and then we'll go from there. Okay, I'm back. My beans here, I had them on low. They cook for an hour. I just let them cook real low. So they are ready. I'm gonna drain some of the liquid off. And if I need some more, I'm just gonna drain the juice off. And if I need some more, I have the liquid there to, kind of use it. So, okay. And I forgot to buy me some cilantro. I have some dried parsley here I'm going to have to use. Like I said, I didn't do a lot of it. I just did enough. Just enough to do this video with. Let's see. Okay. Let me turn this eye off. Oh, turned the wrong eye off. Okay. Let's see. Right there. Put them in here. Take this bay leaf out. Okay. So what I'm going to do is just mash them. Now I could put it in I have a little small food processor. And it's not that many, so I'm just going to try to mash them up with this. In my next video, I'm going to try to do a coconut cream cheesecake. I'm going to try to have it done before the holidays, so if you guys are going to make a coconut cake, I'll have it for you. Now, if you would, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And share it with your friends also. I'm going to taste it to see if it has enough salt. Let me see. I think it has enough salt, but I just want to put just a. Oh, and it definitely has enough pepper, boy. Oh, wait. Oh, yes. Spicy. I'm just going to put a tad more of cumin in here while it's hot. And just a tad more chili powder. And I think that'll be it. I think this is good enough. I don't think I need to add any more of this liquid in here. I reserved it in case I needed it, but I don't think I need it. No, I don't think. Let me see. Let me see how. Because it's going to be in the fridge tonight, and it's going to get a little stiff, so I'm just going to put just a little more in there. Okay. Oh yeah, I like that. So it's not as thick as it was. And I'm gonna preserve this liquid so when we heat it up, if we need to add something to it, we'll have that liquid there to do that. Okay, I think that's it. So I'm gonna put it in my bowl and put some parsley over it, which I wish I had gotten some cilantro or some fresh parsley, but I didn't do that. So I'm about to use what I got. Okay. And this is your homemade refried beans. Like I was saying in one of my videos, it's better to, if you can make it from scratch, anything, make it, because they have all that preservative in it that's not good for you. Too much sodium, People that have high blood pressure, you can kind of manage your own sodium. I'm gonna put me a little parsley. I just wish I had the fresh parsley, like I said, oregano, but I don't. And you can kind of eat these, make you some burritos or something, or you can kind of put it on your eggs in the morning for breakfast. So this is my homemade refried beans. Okay. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bon appetit.